As a matter of fact, I have. I got a box of 6 bottles of red wine as a gift recently. Since I cannot consume all of that, I have shared 3 bottles with my friends, as red wine is a luxury here in Asia. I enjoy sharing alcohol with people. It's something that puts you in a good mood. That's an interesting question. I am a pretty generous person, so I'm happy to share most of my things. However, I particularly enjoy sharing my food with others. I feel that food is one basic thing that undoubtedly makes everyone happy. It's a win-win situation. Well, for me, I am extremely small, so it's difficult for me to share clothes with my friends. It's quite a task for me to find clothes my size, so I don't like to risk others stretching them out. Furthermore, I think it's unsanitary to share certain items like a toothbrush or a toothpick. Of course, actually, since I am one of 7 children, sharing was unavoidable. After one child grew bigger, we always share their hand-me-downs. Furthermore, during a meal, we each started with a small portion to make sure everyone got enough. Then we'll go back for seconds.